Have you ever want to buy from a supplier on 1688 and then the supplier MOQ is high that you are unable to purchase that product? Well, in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to buy even just single product guy from a supplier that has a high MOQ. So you don't have to worry about MOQ or any of that anymore after you watch this video, because that is what I'm going to be showing you. So let's jump on my phone and let's get started. So hello guys. So without wasting much of the time, let's just jump right in. So this is what we call product page. So if you are on this page right here, this is what we call product page. So I just order from this supplier like around that June or July, guys. It is this 16-piece plate, guys. So this 16 piece, it like the MOQ is 1,000. The MOQ is 1,000 and I ordered for 1,000 pieces because it's a good buy. And I didn't know this thing before, so I just find out now. So that is why I'm showing you. So you need to be patient and let's check together. So this is the MOQ. So this is the MOQ, guys. You see this 1,000 here? This is the MOQ. But if you actually want to buy one piece, you can actually buy one piece. So you can just screenshot and check that. You can to confirm that that's the MOQ. So 1,000 pieces is the MOQ. So if you want to buy like single product from this store, guys, just click on this button right here. You see this button right here, guys? Click on it. So I've clicked on it. So now let's say I want to buy into see there is 16 pieces and there is 12 pieces. So 16 pieces is going for 79 yuan and 12 pieces is going for 69 yuan. So now let's say I want to buy 16 pieces, guys. So I just click on it, one. So as you can see right here, guys, it already shows here like the number of the product I want to buy, one, and the amount. So the next thing now is to click on this button right here, guys. So now let's click on it. So now that we are on this page, what this page means is that, you know, the supplier MOQ is 1,000. So what we are going to be doing exactly is that we are going to be ordering for one product. So by ordering for one product, we are going to be telling the supplier that he just wants to buy one for product testing. Like we want to buy one for product testing so that when the price get here, like when the goods get to my country and I check it out and I see that it's good, then I'll order for more. So that is what we are going to be telling the supplier. But I just don't want to be clicking everything because you understand I've been doing this thing for a while. So I already know most of these. Like I understand Chinese a bit, but for people that don't understand, just screenshot, guys. Screenshot. So now that we are screenshot, guys, let's go to this page right here. Let's go to this page. Wait. You see this Google icon. Like I said, guys, you need this thing for translation. So anything you don't understand, just go to this app and translate. So now let's click on it, guys. So you see this icon right here. You see this icon right here. Then click on it. That means we are going to be like searching by image. But that option don't only means that search by image. It also means that you can translate. You can see search by image. You can see the AI overview and everything. But we are not interested in what we are interested in is translation. So just click on translate right here. You see this translate? Just click on it, guys. So now let's click on it. So now that we have translate guide, you can see here what says, what do you see here? Yes, it's sales channel, Taoba, Pindodo, Jingdong, other domestic e-commerce company, social platforms such as WeChat. You can see here physical store owner, cross-border e-commerce and everything. So you can see it already put in like cross-border and Africa below 2,000 and everything, below 20,000, sorry. So what we are going to be clicking is that instead of us to be clicking on cross-border e-coms, we wouldn't do that. You can actually do that, but me, I do tell my students that they should not do this. Why? Because some supplier, even though they are reliable, like some store will be 100%, but if they notice that you are not from their country, guys, they might do something sketchy to you. You understand? Because they believe that you are not in their country, so they might like want to just do something sketchy. Guys, don't do this, guys. So these are the options we are going to be selecting. So you see this thing right here, guys. This Taoba is just like 1688. Pindodo too is just like 1688. Like if you've been watching my videos, you will know that I talk about Pindodo a lot. Jingdong too is like 1688, guys. All these are like local, what's it called, local website, just like 1688, guys. So what we are going to be selecting is Pindodo. Why? Because we'll be telling the supplier that we sell on Pindodo, guys. So because some supplier actually they source from supplier on 1688 and sell on other platform, it happens like that too. Understand? So let's just do that we want to sell on Pindodo. So we are going to be selecting Pindodo, guys. So now let's go back to 1688. Let's go back to 1688, guys. So this is Pindodo. Now that we have selected Pindodo, guys, let's screenshot again to check what this means. So now let's screenshot, guys. So now let's go back here to our translation. Let's click on it now and let's click on translate. So guys, as you can see here, it is translated down. So you can see here it says below 20,000, below 20,000 to 50,000. No, so you can just write below 20,000. Below 20,000 is enough, guys. So now let's go back here and let's just check here. So what do you say? Yes, it we want ID, guys. So let me just, so as you can see here, it says want ID, which means the name of my, like, what's it called, my name and all. You can see here my advantage to check quality. So this to check quality, let's go back here now. Let's just go back first. So now let's go back to 1688, guys. So now that we are do that, guys, you can see we've select 20,000 already. So below 20,000. So here you can just put this, like, you can just leave it because this is the name I use. So you can just leave it, guys. But you see here to check quality, you can just change it, guys. Write in Chinese. Instead of you to write it in English, guys, you will just write it in Chinese. Just click on to check quality. To check quality. So just click on it. So as you can see, it already translates to Chinese, guys. So my, what's it called, my keyboard comes with an inbuilt, like inbuilt auto translate, guys. Then after we've done that, what do we do next? You just click on this button right here. This button, just click on it, guys. Then if we click on it, so guys, that's all, guys. So what we just did now is we already sent message to the supplier that I want to buy, like, for product testing and all. So if the supplier approves, then I'm going to be able to buy one single product from this store. And one thing is that most supplier approve, not all, guys. Like, there are some supplier, they actually set MOQ because of local transit, guys, like local flight. So they might be like, oh, I don't want to send just one product to this, like, to this company, because of the local flights will be merged. You understand? So some supplier actually do that because of local flights. But for those who don't do that because of local flights, they might actually consider, guys, and then sell one product for you. So that's just how it works, guys. So if you have any question, just drop it in the comment section, guys, and I'll be answering you, guys. So that'll be all for our video, guys. So thank you for watching and see you next time.